No, Jeremy, you can't eat that. Here's a massage technique I use on old bads like your mom.
Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here?
Oh, just talking to the man upstairs. Howdy! I am Cornholio.
Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro.
How could she do this to me?
Gotta hype myself up.
Yeah!
Did I do it?
Excuse me, I was sitting there.
I'm allergic to myself.
Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out.
You're 5 minutes late!
Wait, Papa!
First exercise
Papa, please!
is called Jump the Chump. So far, you are the chump.
Oh, no, not again!
Pick up the pace, pussyfoot. Dinner's ready. Oh, ow, what the? I'm telling Mom.
No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you retriever fever.
Is there anyone on earth as majestic as me?
Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door?